Welcome to my tutorial on Excel. Today we are going to look at if and sum if. My name is Toba Tombari. Okay, so we want to look at computation of annual commission using if and sum if. This is a sales report for 2021. Assuming you are an accountant and they gave you this to do this computation, what are you going to do? Let's begin. Calculation of annual sales. We have 11 sales reps here and 4 regional sales manager. Okay, so let's begin. Here we are going to use sum if. Sum if will sum all the amount that is for these sales reps in this sales report. Okay, so sum if equal to sum if bracket open the range. Where is the range to look at? The range is the column where the name of this sales rep appear in the report, and that is column B. So select from the beginning to the end. Shift Control down arrow will take you down the table. Put your comma according to this formula that is shown here. You follow it. The criteria is the first person that appear on the list of sales reps. Put your comma, sum range. Where is the value you want to sum? That's what the formula is asking. So this is where the values are. Shift Control down arrow to the end. Put your close bracket. Hit enter. Then we will lock this range from B2 to B626 and all the rest with a symbol of $. That is, using that you can just press F4. It will lock it. F4. It will lock it. Enter. Why we are locking it is if we drag this formula, this will change. This G2 will change to G3 because it's going down. So we don't want it to change. That's why we are locking it. And how to lock it is to put that $sign. So drag the formula down to the end. You get the total from here. We drag the total that is here since the formula is there. So we have 849,747,894.78. okay, if you get the total here, it's the same, so we are good to go. We do the same for regional sales manager. Equal to sum if bracket open, get the range where the name of sales manager appear. That's column C from the beginning down to the end. Put your comma. Select the criteria. That's the first person here. Comma. Then select the column where the values are. Down to the last one. Close your bracket. Now we have to log the formula again. F4. Then we hit enter. We drag the formula down. Okay. Let's also drag the formula here to get the total. Thus we have the same value, which means they are the same. Okay, So let's get percentage achieved. This will be equal to annual sales all over target. The total sales they made all over the target they were given. All over the target. That's 80%. Drag it down. Okay. Assuming they were not in percentage, you click on percentage, all of them will turn to percentage. Okay, copy any of those one, paste here. It will still do the calculation because the formula is still there. Okay, 85%. Okay, so how to calculate the commission? In calculating the annual sales, we use SUM if. Calculating the commission now, we're going to use if. So it will be if bracket open. They said the criteria should be if the percentage sales that is being achieved is 50% below, the rate should be 0.25%. This is not 25%. Mind the way it is written. This is 1% divided by 4. It will give you 0.25%. Now, if the percentage achieved is within 51 to 70%, we should use 0.50%. If it's 71 to 90, we should use 70%. If it's 91 to 100, we should use 1%. So we are going to follow that accordingly. So if the percentage achieved, that is in column G, so we are going to say if G5 okay, let's put equal to sign, equal to if bracket open, if G5, this G5 is less than or equal to 50% and below. So this less than or equal to, get that description. So that is 50%. Then what should happen? F5, that is the annual sales, should be multiplied by 0.25%, that is 0.0025. Put your comma. Another if, we have taken care of 50%, we are going to do for 70%. So if G5 is less than or equal to what again? 70%. So 70%. Then F5, which is the annual sales, should be multiplied by 0.005, comma. If G5 is less than or equal to, the next one is 70%. 70%. Then F5 should be multiplied to 0.007. The last one is if G5 is, now we are going to use greater than okay, the first one was 25%, the second one 0.50%, the third one, okay, not 70, the third one is 90%, so we'll correct that to 90%. So now if G5 now is greater than 90%, then F5 should be multiplied by 1%. So we close the bracket according to how many brackets we have opened. We have opened 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets. So we're going to hit 4 brackets close. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we hit enter. Okay, that has given us the answer. So we are going to drag it down. Okay, so now let us confirm whether this calculation is true. How are we going to confirm? Let us use any of these amounts randomly. Okay, I will choose to use the one for Emeka. So let's use Emeka. Emeka own is within 72%. So that is 14.3 million multiplied by, what's the range? That's 0.70 because it's above 71. So 0.007. Okay, hit enter. That is 100,410 naira 37 kilo. Okay, so the formula is correct. Copy that, also put in the one for regional sales manager, hit enter, drag to the end to get DS2. So we are going to get the total for the commission. Alternative equal to, will give you the total. Same thing here, you can just copy the formula here, hit enter. So we have gotten our commission. So let's put this in a table so that it will look presentable. Then hit enter. Let's change the color to match the color on the other side. Okay, you can bold here. Okay, the total should be the total that is here. Bold it. The total should be what is here. Also bold it. So the total commission will be the 1 plus this, and we have a total commission here. Now if this comes as a test for you, don't make the mistake to use manual calculation here. The manual calculation I mean is the test that we just did here, to check the range that is here and use the equivalent rate that is here and calculate. If it is a test, you are going to fail, because this will be testing your logical ability to use the right function in Excel. So this is how to use if and SUMIF to calculate the annual commission. Now this can be applied to any other situation apart from commission. So far the situation will fit the formula. So if this has helped you in your work, like the video and follow me for more. Thank you. Also share your thoughts in the comment section if there's any area you want me to cover. Thank you.